Hey guys, so welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today guys, it's a few days in the week. You know, it was my birthday week. Still celebrating somewhat because for my birthday I went to dinner with my family. It was so great. It was a beautiful day. The scenery was nice. It wasn't as cold as a few weeks ago when we celebrated my mom's birthday at the same restaurant. So that was great. And it was just continuation. Like yesterday, family came over. Same thing. We hang out, ate, and I spent almost 3 hours on the phone with video chat with my friends who wanted to, chat and celebrate my birthday and celebrate me. Plus that my godson's birthday was also yesterday. So today is busy day as well because I get to spend some of the money I got for my birthday on some books. I'm going book shopping today. I'm probably gonna do a separate haul of all the things that I picked up for my birthday because there's some other stuff that was ordered for me that I'm really excited about, but that's probably not gonna come for 10 days. And there was another item that my friend purchased for me as well, and that's not here yet. So I think I'm gonna save those for later on, and just do like a video of things that I got for my birthday. It's so weird because I usually don't get a lot of stuff on my birthday, but this time around I think because it was a milestone, I think people made me feel extra special, Anyway, so what am I reading? That's another thing. I haven't been reading as much because I've been distracted by everything, which I'm not complaining about, but I am far in the cutting season. So by Attica, and this is a mystery, crime mystery. It's one of those who did it situation. Enjoying it. So good. The characters are the main character, she is a manager at this plantation house that they turned into like this attraction kind of where weddings are kept, which is always weird to me when I think of people who have weddings at plantation, when people died, people got raped, tortured at these places, but they turn into this beautiful thing and people get married there. But anyway, there was a murder happen, and it's all these people that they're trying to solve and figure out who did it kind of situation, and it's intriguing. I'm like turning the pages, but I'll talk about this later. I'm literally trying to get out of here now to go to the store, and then I also going to visit a friend as well. So today's going to be another fun day, but not a lot of reading, but I do plan on finish this tonight or tomorrow because this is just going to be like a 2-day situation. It's going to be one of those short vlog, I think. If someone says a short vlog, it turned out not to be, but I'm going to try. This is what it probably will be, but yeah, this is where I'm at with this. So guys, I forgot to record while I was in there because I was so excited to be able to buy some books today. So I did buy a lot. So happy birthday to me. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to Sephora. Not getting anything really, I'm just replacing something I finished up and head home. Yay, mission accomplished. Books. You too. Alright guys, I lied. I got more things than originally I was gonna buy. So hey. I can't help myself. So sometimes you just have to treat yourself. You don't really, and you can, because I didn't go nowhere for my birthday. So I actually saved some money from the vacation. So yeah, I'm trying to convince myself why I spend what I just spent in Sephora. But yeah, home I go.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
What's the vibe? Yeah, Fern's okay. Everything else is dead. It's like a mess in here. Hello, fall. Hey guys, so I'm here to do the wrap up for The Cutting Season by Ada Galak, and it is the perfect book for fall. It is the perfect book for this time this month, October, because it has murder mystery. It's who did it, and in this case it is set on a plantation, and how the plantation is described, it gives you that whole southern feel, but also has its secrets and things that happen that is unfolded in the story. So it is surrounded by, the main character is Karen, and she is a woman who's had generation who was lived at the plantation, worked at the plantation. We're talking all the way back to slavery, and in this case now she's back. She left the town, she came back, and she is the manager and overseeing all these beautiful weddings that they're having there, and the workers, and she's there with her young daughter who is who she's raising by herself. The father of the child is nowhere in that town because he's not for it. So with that, you are experiencing all these people who are coming up as suspects, and she knows them, and she's like trying to figure out herself if this person could have possibly did it. And the more she digs, the more she's also unfolding her history with that plantation, her going way back to her great grandfather, and also her relationship with her mother who was there, the grandmother, and how it affected her and what benefits she's gotten from it, and how she felt about it, being that it is a plantation. Think about all the horrible things that's happened there to black people. I like the twists in this. I like the involvement of her, excuse me, I like the involvement of her daughter. Got a plane going by. Alright, so I like the involvement of her daughter. I like the involvement of the father-child back in the picture and how that was done. I like the storyline of that went beyond the dead woman, and the history that was digged up for many years, and give you a slight history of how some people, black folks, who what would happen to them when they were able to prove ownership of land that people didn't think they should be owning, that kind of deal. It was so much in there that it made me, want to like keep digging, and it made it more interesting because it, like I said, it brought up older things than just the current murder that they're trying to solve. But I like how it happened. I like the ending. I did like the main character, Karen. I do feel her struggle at the same time. I think she's quite out there in terms of her trying to manage a plantation. That took some guts and made me kind of question her in the beginning, but the more I read, the more I was like, okay, I get you girl, but I just could not do it. But it's interesting, it's good, it's just it's Ada Galak at her best. This is one of her earlier books. I don't know what year this was published, but I like that. Oh wow, this was from 2012, so this is definitely one of her really earlier books, and it's a little longer than the newer ones that I've read, but she did it in a way where it didn't drag and it wasn't boring. It was really good. So I definitely recommend this. I do think if you're into murder mystery, you definitely like this one, and it does give you the creepy, eerie feel of a plantation house setup, the slave quarters and all that stuff that's still there that people use for other things. I was like, whoa. So recommended. So I'm gonna end this here, and if you've read this already, let me know. If you know into like murder mystery stuff, let me know what some of your favorite murder mystery is that you've read recently, and yeah, I'll have to check it out. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.